say for instance you on Patreon and you are donating to somebody's Patreon account and you want to delete that monthly payment, only thing you need to do is log on to your Patreon account. Once you log in, go up here to the top right and go down to manage memberships. And then by the membership you have, maybe you have 2, 3, 4. You see I have this one here. I was just testing my own stuff. So you can go here and hit the edit button. Once you hit the edit button, right here you can go down where it says edit or cancel payment. You go right there, click that, and then you could say cancel your payment. Cancel your payment. Wellness stuff would lose the valuable support that would be lost from the membership. Are you sure? You click right here, cancel your payment. All right, it's done. And then if you want to go ask the question why, and now that just put for some other reason, whatever you want. You have the option to explain and hit submit. Once you submit, that's it.